Everybody has their doubts, but you can't stop now. You just gotta live. You just gotta live.
Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So before I get started, I know I'm going to get questions about what I'm wearing. My top is from Fashion Nova Curve in my recent Fashion Nova haul video, and my earrings are from Shein, which were also featured in my most recent Shein haul. I will have all the outfit details that I'm wearing right now linked down below in the description box. So today I'm super excited to share with you guys that I have partnered with FabFitFun to show you their newly released Spring Editors box, and I am so excited because this is my first ever FabFitFun box. I see so many people talk about FabFitFun, and now that I'm actually getting the chance to work with them, I am super excited to share you guys all of my thoughts on my first ever FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that offers you full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. FabFitFun boxes come out 4 times a year, hence they are seasonal. FabFitFun boxes retail for $49, but you are getting a retail value inside of $200 and over in each box, which is literally amazing because each season we get things that we want to try out new, or not even that, we just have different products that we use for each season. So that's what I love about the seasonal box, because you have the opportunity to try out new products each season, which is great because I'm always constantly buying new stuff based on whatever season it is. If you want to try out FabFitFun, you can use my code to get 40% off your first box. The code is Carollo40. I will have it annotated here on the screen. You guys will get 40% off your first box. Only sign up because now FabFitFun allows you to customize the items that come in your box, which is even better than being surprised. Like, you now know what you're going to get in your box. If there's something that you've been wanting, it will be there for you to customize your own box each season, which is amazing, and I love that. It is super convenient for people because everyone likes different things, so there might be something on there that is different for you and different for me and different for my mom and whoever else orders a box from FabFitFun, because they have so many ranges of products for you to try. Like I said, if you use my code Carollo40, you'll get 40% off your first box. Don't forget to sign up now. That way you can start customizing your first box ever. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys what's in my FabFitFun box. So here it is. It is the spring box, obviously, because it is springtime. Love the packaging. The box is beautiful. Oh, here is my box. I kind of peeked a little bit when I got it in the mail because I was too excited. So it's just packaged really, really cute. I'm gonna open it up. Okay. The first thing I see in here is a FabFitFun little book, like magazine, and it just shows the perks of what is catered into your box, specific things. I haven't really looked at any of this. It also is going to show you some of the top rated products that were in other previous boxes before, which is awesome. And just kind of things to embrace the new season that we have ahead. So this is a really cute magazine geared towards everything that's in your box, which I'm definitely going to be looking at that. This is the little card that you get with each of your boxes to show you how much each product that you do have in there retails for, so that way you can see just how much of a deal you're getting. So the total retail value for this box ranges from $238 to $340. That is amazing, and it is only $49.99, but don't forget to use my code because you can get 40% off your first box. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the big stuff in here. So this is Summer and Rose. This is from the brand Summer and Rose, a place for everything. Look at how gorgeous this box is. Love the pink. One of those little dish things that you can put like your rings and like bracelets in. So let's see how much this retails for. So this is the Summer and Rose Celine Trinket Dish. Keep your baubles in one place. The ceramic trinket dish holds small jewelry and instantly elevates any vanity with its gold detailing. This retails for $22. So this is so pretty. Let's take it out of the packaging. Look at how beautiful this plated is. It is so cute. This is going to fit perfectly on my dresser. I can hold a bunch of my like everyday jewelry in here so I can grab it really quickly. I'm loving the geometric design on it. Super cute. Love this. Gorgeous. So the next thing that we have here is the Private Party Beach Please towel. And this is such a gorgeous color. So let's open this up. Look at the fun colors. pink, yellow, and white. All of these colors remind me of spring so much and like Easter. I love this. So if you're going on vacation soon. This is the Private Party Beach Please beach towel. This is your beach trip isn't complete without this cute oversized towel. It is made from 100% poly microfiber to keep any sand from sticking. Hello, this is going to be a heaven sent for me. You guys know I'm going to Miami in a month, so, well, like a little bit over a month. But still, I'm going to Miami and you know, we're going to be at South Beach. I'm going to have to pack this towel with me. Just 2 items were already at $72 for this box, which is literally way more than what we even paid for. So this is amazing. I love this. I can't wait to test this bad boy out. So this is 11 by Venus. And let's read what this exactly is. This is 11 by Venus, Venus Williams foldable gym bag. Take your workouts anywhere with this foldable duffel bag. It is spacious enough to hold your water bottle, workout clothes, and weights. This retails for $29. This is awesome because I have been going to the gym recently and I do not have a gym bag. So I'm going to open this up. This is the perfect size gym bag for me because I don't carry that much stuff. I usually wear my sneakers with me. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Okay, I'm definitely going to be using this like every day now. Like I said, this retails for $29. So this is Way of the Will Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum. Moisturizes nails while protecting the cuticle against your dryness and damage. The serum contains enrollment-rich meadow foam, argan oil, and vitamin E to strengthen nails between paint jobs. So this retails for $24. You guys know I get my nails done, but my cuticles are always dry all the time, so I'm very excited to try this out in between my nail appointments because my nails like rough after like 2 weeks. I'm like, okay, I'm pushing it. I need to get a fill soon. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. This is a little Vito body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. I don't know if that's how you say it. Hydrate, nourish, and protect the delicacy scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. This retails for $19. The next item that we have here is the Ava Dermud Intense Foot Cream. It's made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud. The daily cream works to revolve painfully dry skin, cracked, and coarse skin. This retails for $29. This is amazing because I think this is going to be, if you want to do your own like at-home pedicure, you want to save some money, you don't want to go out to the salon and get it done, this will be definitely something, another extra step that you can add into your pedicure routine, and it's definitely something I never would have purchased on my own, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. Next we have the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Murad is so pricey. It's such an expensive like skincare line. So this is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. The Ultra Nourishing Eye Cream features advanced peptides and retinol to increase elasticity and vibrance, minimizing lines and wrinkles. Guys, I'm blown away. This retails for $82. $82, you guys. That is insane. I'm going to open this up and let's see. So it's a full-size product. This is what it looks like. And then the last item, which is something that I am so excited about, perfect timing for me, I just ran out of moisturizer. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2o Hydrating Boost. Quench your skin's thirst. This vegan gel moisturizer soothes and refresh parched skin with electrolyte-packed hydration. This retails for $39. It is the Tarte Skincare H2o. They knew that my skin was dry. Like when they gave me this, they're like, Stephanie's skin's dry. This is perfectly catered to me. All of these items are something I would pick out, and you can now pick out your own items in your box, so that is awesome. But this is amazing. I cannot wait to try this. I am so excited about this, you guys. You have no idea. My skin needs a new... I'm trying to open this up. I'm so excited. Oh, look at the packaging. Gorgeous. Tarte always does it so well. Oh, I love this. I can't wait. And it smells so good. Wow. I cannot wait to start using this on my skin. I am so excited to make that into my daily routine as well as the Murad. I'm super excited. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me just show you guys some of my favorite things that I got in this. Would definitely have to be the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2o moisturizer, as well as the Murad Eye Renewing Cream. And my third favorite item is kind of a tie between the gym bag and the beach towel, because you always need a beach towel, a good beach towel, and you always need a good gym bag. So I am loving everything that I got in my FabFitFun Spring Edition box. Don't forget, if you guys want to get one, the code will be Carollo40. That's 40% off your first box. And go sign up now so you can customize your first box. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with this video, and I'm so excited to share with you guys all of these things. I'm loving my spring box, and I can't wait for the next season, summer, to get my next FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye, guys!